So it's rainy season and I'm going to do a windshield wiper replacement on a second generation GX460. As you can see, I didn't go with the dealership because I don't want to spend that kind of money. I went with the Costco brand. These were sold at Costco for $5.99 on sale. The driver's side takes 26-inch and the passenger side takes a 20-inch. All you need pretty much is a flathead screwdriver. Okay, so I'm going to start on the passenger side first. Passenger side, so if you see the wiper's got this little clip right here. All you have to do is take a flathead screwdriver and pry it upward. Just pry it up until it comes out. See if it comes out. There you go. It pops up like that. Once it pops up like that, push it towards the driver's side and the whole thing should just pop out. It slides right out. There you go. That comes off. See that? Now, we're gonna, since that was the passenger side, we're gonna switch it with the 20-inch. You don't need any adapters or anything for the Lexus. You just need whatever it comes with. That's it. So you bring it back, and all you have to do is, see that? The side that sticks up like that, there's a rounded edge right here. That rounded edge is going to go inside this rounded edge right here. So all I got to do is just put that in there together like that, and just remember how we pushed it towards the driver's side to remove it. Now we're going to push it towards the passenger side to lock it in. Just pull until you hear a click. There you go. Locked and loaded. It's a perfect fit. Bam. Do the exact same thing with the driver's side.